Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your AMC Plus subscription. So the easiest way to do this is to actually go to their support website. So open your web browser, today we are using Google Chrome, and go to support.amcplus.com. Wait for it to load. Now here is the support website of AMC. Now search for cancel and then click on the first result. Now this is an interactive page on how to cancel your AMC Plus depending on your device that you are using. It can be directly at amcplus.com, Apple, Amazon, Google Play, Roku, Samsung, or Verizon. Now choose on the platform where you subscribed. For example, if you're using Apple for AMC Plus, click on Apple. Let's click on iPhone or iPad. Now here are the full steps. Open settings, tap your name, tab subscription, select AMC Plus, select cancel subscription from the bottom of the page and select confirm. If you happen to subscribe AMC Plus directly at amcplus.com, click on that and it will show you all of the steps on this panel here and just go and follow these steps.